Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you receive notifications. If you are returning, I'm very happy to have you. Now this is your full stretching routine to help relieve back pain. If you do have back pain, I highly recommend that you do these stretches every single day to strengthen your back and to help relieve the pain. You can grasp them and do them anywhere. For instance, if you're just waking up, especially from the bed. We are just marching in sport right now, just getting to warm up the body, prepare the muscles for these stretches. So just continue marching. And if you do not have back pain but would just like to keep your back strong, especially if you're a mommy and you carry, a heavy baby, these stretches are also good for you. So we are going to get down on the mat and begin the stretches. So down on the mat, we are going to begin with the hip stretch in the lunge position. You just want to kneel on your knees and then get into the lunge position, and then you want to have a straight back and then lean forward, feeling that stretch in your back. And we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds per side. So pull your abs towards the spine and keep breathing and continue holding while you are breathing, feeling that stretch that actually feels good in your entire lower back. And we shall continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to switch sides, so the other side. Keep holding, keep breathing, tummy towards the spine. Feeling that stretch in your entire back area, and we shall keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up. And next we want to move into the bird dog. Just get onto all fours, pull your arms towards the spine. We are going to be doing 10 of these per side. So you want to stretch out opposite arm, opposite leg, and then bring it back for a count of 2 and 3. Tummy towards the spine, keep breathing, and 4 and 5. Feeling that gentle stretch in your back as you push out your leg. Just give me one more and switch to opposite arm, opposite leg, beginning straight away with 1. Keep breathing, tummy towards the spine. Raise and reach out your hand. Just give me one more and get back down. And we are still on all fours. We are going to be doing the cat and dog. So we are going to still do 10 of these. We shall pull in our arms towards the spine and raise our backs, feeling that gentle stretch, and hold for 1, 2, 3 and come back down. Raise, hold, 1, 2, 3 and down. Let's do this for a count of 10 as well. And down. Pull your abs, reach out with your back, feeling that stretch, hold and release. Keep breathing, don't tie your breath. Down, squeeze. Going, You are doing great. And down. Let's just do one more. And down. Next, you want to still keep into this position. We are going to get into the child's pose, which we are going to hold for 30 seconds. Just reach out your hands, bring your forehead to the mat, and feel that gentle stretch in your back, and we shall keep holding this. Keep breathing. Deep breaths in and out. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up gently. And next we want to get down onto our backs. We are going to get into knee hugs first. So you want to stretch out your legs, and we are going to do these 10 per side still. Beginning with the right leg, bring knee to chest and hold it right there for 1, 2, 3, and release. The other side, and release. Release. Keep breathing. 2, 3, and release. We are doing 10 per side. And release. Feeling that gentle stretch in your lower back every time you bring your knees towards the chest. It's actually a very good feeling in back. You can do as many of these as you can or as you want. Let's just do one more per leg, and release, and squeeze, and release. And what you want to do is to bring both knees and hug them towards your chest, and we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds, feeling that gentle stretch in your lower back. This is actually a very good stretch. Feel free to do it anytime, anywhere. When you feel that pain in your back, continue hugging for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring down your legs. We are going to move into the bridge, which we are going to hold for 30 seconds. So hands onto your mat, pushing your hands into the mat, raise your torso off the ground with a pelvic tilt, and we want to hold this for 30 seconds. So just keep breathing. All you have to do is to grasp the stretches, and you can do them anywhere in your bed, when you wake up early in the morning, in your sitting room, wherever. Just continue holding these for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down, and we shall move into the rotational stretch. We are going to be holding for 30 seconds per side. Beginning with the right leg, bring it towards your chest and then rotate it to the other side, foot facing the side as well. Reach out your hand, and we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds as well, feeling that nice stretch in your entire back area. This is actually one of my favorite back stretches, so just continue holding. Continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down and head over to the other leg. Stretch it to the side, and we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds as well. You can do some ankle rotations while at feeling that stretch, that very nice stretch in your lower back, just continue holding it right there. And continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get back up. We are going to do our final stretch, another very good stretch that I love, which is raising your legs to face the ceiling. So just bring your legs to face the ceiling, pull your arms towards the spine, maintaining a flat back, and you want to reach out your hands and you want to hold this stretch for 30 seconds as well, or as long as you like. This stretch is actually very good for the back, for strengthening the abs, and it is a very good stretch. We shall continue holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and well done. Get back down. A high five if you've made it up to this far. So roll yourself back up and sit straight up. You want to take in some deep breaths, so you want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Just one more, breathe in and breathe out, coming to the end of our stretching routine. I hope you enjoyed it with me, and I hope you will continue doing these stretches routinely if you want to get rid of that back pain. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family as well. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so that every time I upload a new video, you receive that notification. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.